We are going to stir fry zucchini in a wok instead of baking them in the oven. Cut the zucchini into thick slices for better texture. We start by frying 1 teaspoon of garlic with some oil. Add zucchini, and add 3 tablespoons of water. We need to have some moisture to fry properly. Add half a teaspoon of mixed herb. And add some salt and pepper. Spread the zucchini out to cook on one side. Stir and cook the other side. We can see that the zucchini is starting to brown. Add some water if it is too dry. We have taken a small piece to try. It is still hard and we need a little more salt and pepper. Continue to fry the zucchini until you get the texture you like. We have fried for about 7 minutes. They are perfectly cooked with a nice crunch. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.